Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I posted a few videos before on my channel, but it's been years ago. But I've been wanting to get back into YouTube, and I figured one of the good ways to put on YouTube is an unboxing video. And I've been watching a lot of them, and they seem to be going pretty good. So the unboxing video that I'm gonna do today, or that we are gonna be doing today, is a 2025 Bowman Mega Box. So, with me, I'm Jonathan Musgrave. I'm a huge collector. I love collecting a lot of stuff, but more specifically, sports cards. And this right here is my brother-in-law, Matt. He has a lot of knowledge of baseball. I could almost say an encyclopedic knowledge of baseball. So,
that's right.
So yeah, how you doing, Matt?
I'm doing really well, Jonathan. How about you?
That's good. So you got your jersey on?
Yes, I do.
What jersey is that?
Yep. Today, I have on Nolan Arenado's St. Louis Cardinals road alternate jersey. This one is in victory blue color with the birds on the bat and St. Louis underneath. Also, I have on a red St. Louis Cardinals home cap.
That's
Home
cool.
cap that they also wear on the road against teams that don't have red as their base color. Yep, and then on the back I have Arenado's number. Yep, number 28.
Yeah, he's been killing it in the major leagues.
Yes, he has been. Earlier, I saw that he hit a walk-off single against the Los Angeles Dodgers to win the game 2-1. So
Nice.
Two in a row that the Cardinals have beaten the Dodgers this series, and they've already won the home series against the Dodgers. So
That's
go
good.
Cardinals!
Yep. So with me, I'm wearing a Cardinals hat too, and I have a Wainwright jersey. Wainwright's my man.
Wow, John.
Unfortunately, he retired. So
Yeah. Wow, Jonathan. I mean, I gotta say, I mean, Adam Wainwright. I mean, ever since he came up to the Cardinals in 2005 as a starting pitcher, I remember like there were years where he was becoming an ace like Chris Carpenter. Then I know he had a bit of an off career, and then by I believe 2018 he reinvented himself and really got back on track.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh yes.
So anyway, we want to get into the card opening.
Absolutely.
All right. We went to Target today and wanted to look for a good box of cards to open. And I've never opened Bowman cards before. I own quite a few of them, but this is my first opening. All right.
Okay. How many packs do we have? Or
6. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tilt the camera down on the table, and you guys can watch us open the packs.
all right, here we go.
I'm filming. So you want to pick out your 2 packs?
Absolutely. Okay, so I'm going to go with the 2 middle.
All right. And then this one has 2 mega box packs. So Matt, do you want to pick out one of these?
Oh yes. I'll pick the first one.
All right. Okay. You want to start it off, Matt?
Absolutely. Okay, so this is one of the regular packs that I'm getting ready to open. All right, let's see what we've got. Oh wow, okay, so immediately I found a Ha-Seong Kim card where I know that Ha-Seong Kim, he's now with the Dodgers.
Yeah.
For this season. This is
Would this be his official rookie card? Since it says rookie.
It does say Bowman.
It says RC right there.
Oh, RC. That's relic card. It's a relic card.
No, it's a rookie.
Or a rookie card. My bad.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah, a rookie card of Ha-Seong Kim.
That's neat. Can I see it?
Oh yeah, it's signed with the Dodgers. He was originally a Padres player. That was where he actually started his rookie career.
Okay. What else do you have?
Right. I have a Jace Young Detroit Tigers card. Jace Young is, I think his position is third base. He might be related to Josh Young from the Texas Rangers. They both have the same last name spelling, Jung. And it looks like, yep, another rookie card.
Nice.
All right, next we have Ellie De La Cruz. This one is not a rookie card. It doesn't say what kind of card it is. I think it might just be a regular card. But of course, I mean, Ellie De La Cruz, a great shortstop for the Reds.
Yeah. I see a pretty neat looking card coming up, Matt. The first Bowman.
Yeah, this is a first Bowman. Anderson Brito, pitcher for the Houston Astros.
That's your favorite team, right, Matt?
Well, actually, my favorite team is the St. Louis Cardinals.
I give him a hard time because he doesn't care for the Astros that much.
Yeah, it doesn't. I mean, yeah, it says first Bowman. This might be Anderson Brito. Looks like he probably came up from the minor leagues, so probably a prospect. Probably a prospect card.
Yeah.
But still really nice.
Oh, another Bowman. Another first card.
First Bowman. Yeah, this one looks like prospects that came up to the major leagues. Cobb Hightower, San Diego Padres, signed in 2024.
Wow.
Yep, so again, this looks like another prospect rookie card, so that's really cool.
Yeah. Ooh.
First Bowman again. Another first Bowman. Yu Min Lin from the Arizona Diamondbacks, 2024.
Nice. Looks like you get to Bowman Chrome in each of these packs as well. That's awesome.
Exactly. Yeah.
I like the Chrome type cards, like the Chrome and the Optic. They just have a nicer feel to them.
They do. I feel like they bring a nice colorful presentation and design. So first Bowman Chrome, Hansel hopefully I'm pronouncing this correctly. Hansel Villarreal from the Houston Astros, 2024. And yep, so it's another first Bowman. So first Bowman Chrome. So that
I see a better Bowman Chrome.
Yes.
I was watching a video of someone unboxing this particular box, and they got this guy, and they they sleeved him.
First Bowman Chrome, Jesus Lopez from the Texas Rangers.
Have you heard of him?
No, I haven't. It says here he was rated as number 28 Rangers prospect by the Dallas Morning News. Made full season minor league debut with the single A team down east in 2024.
So
supplied 2 knocks, home run and 2 RBIs. Booked 4 hits and 2 RBIs on June 5th. Actually, supplied 2 knocks, home run and 2 RBIs on June 5th. Booked 4 hits and 2 RBIs on May 1st.
Nice.
Yep. So it looks like that Jesus Lopez, a valuable prospect for them.
I would set that aside over here to keep that separate from the
Absolutely.
base, guys.
Okay, yes, and the good cards just keep on coming. This is a Riley Green Detroit Tigers card, and of course the Detroit Tigers right now they are red hot right now. I mean, at least
they are.
Yes, I mean over 40 wins right now.
Are they
season.
American or national?
They're American League.
American League.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't really follow much any other teams other than the Cardinals and a couple others. So, and then final card in your first pack.
Salvador Perez, Kansas City Royals catcher. Oh, and then Riley Green, he was outfielder for the Detroit Tigers.
Nice.
Salvador Perez, he's been with the Kansas City Royals ever since the year the Kansas City Royals won another World Series. I believe the first World Series they won was in 1985 against the St. Louis Cardinals, and then the second World Series they won was in 2015 against the New York Mets.
Nice.
Yeah. Salvador Perez, for a long time, he has been ranked among the top 5 of best catchers in the major league.
That's awesome.
It is.
All right, well, that's your first pack down. I'm going to go ahead and open my first pack. Okay. My first card is Ozzy Albies with the Atlanta Braves.
Oh, wow. That's an amazing card.
Yeah. Pretty good. Zach Neto with the Angels. That's a nice card. Francisco Lindor.
Yep, New York Mets.
New York Mets. Here, and I have my first Bowman first, Kevin Castillo with the Angels as well. Another Bowman first, Esteban Gonzalez with the Cleveland Guardians. Seaver King with the Nationals.
Wow.
Yep. And then my two Bowman Chrome, I have another first. And I'm not good at pronouncing names, so it's Ichiro Cano Hernandez.
Yep.
With the Cincinnati Reds. It's my wife's favorite team. Okay, another Bowman first in Chrome. Owen Wild with the Tampa Bay Rays. Nice card. Then my last two in this pack. Austin Riley with the Atlanta Braves. And Lawrence Butler with Athletics. I don't know where they're at now because I know they moved from Oakland.
Yep. Yeah. Right now, they're in the process of relocation. They're currently playing in a stadium in Sacramento, California.
Okay.
It's like a minor league type of stadium, but it seems like they're doing pretty decent actually this year in the American League West. I mean, I think for the A's, for the Athletics, I think they're on track to be a contending team by either next year or 2027.
That'll be good for them.
Oh, yes, absolutely.
You want to open your next base pack or regular pack?
Oh, yes.
I'm not a professional card opener collector. I just get them and open them. So I'm sorry if I'm getting any terms wrong.
Oh, wow.
What do you have?
Right out of the gate, Manny Machado, San Diego Padres.
You have a good card coming
This
up.
is definitely a great card.
Yeah,
Manny Machado started off his rookie career with the Baltimore Orioles, then went to the Los Angeles Dodgers, and now he is with the San Diego Padres.
That's awesome. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Good old J-Rod. Julio Rodriguez.
J-Rod, Julio Rodriguez, Seattle Mariners.
Is he still doing pretty good? I haven't really heard much about him since his debut year.
I haven't seen much about Julio. I mean, I know the Mariners are doing pretty decent. I think in first place right now it might be the Mariners. The Mariners might be in first place right now. I know the Angels and Rangers are neck and neck. Astros, I think, are behind the Angels and Rangers, and then the A's are in last place. I do believe. I could be wrong, but last time I checked the standings, I mean the race was pretty close in the American League West.
That's good.
Yeah. Orelvis Martinez, Toronto Blue Jays. This is a rookie card. So it looks like that Orelvis Martinez is starting off his rookie career this season with the Toronto Blue Jays. Sorry about that. That was a Fox Sports update. Fox Sports update that I got on my phone.
He follows sports religiously.
Yes, I do. First Bowman, Jack Penny, Detroit Tigers.
Nice.
So that's really cool. Next one. Alejandro Rosario, Texas Rangers, first Bowman.
Good card.
Yeah, it looks like the Rangers might have found a good prospect there.
Yeah. I'm actually liking the look of these Bowman cards.
Me too.
I really like the look of the Topps, was it 2022 cards where J-Rod and Bobby Witt Jr. were like the big hits.
Yes.
It was like a good, just plain and simple white color background.
Oh, yes.
Sometimes just a basic, simple background is good.
That's true.
That's my opinion.
Yeah. Luis Morejo, Cleveland Guardians, first Bowman.
Nice.
Walker Janik, Houston Astros, first Bowman.
Yeah. Looks like you got a Luis Morejo and Bowman Chrome.
Yes.
As well.
Oh, yes. Yeah. So say Luis Morejo and first Bowman Chrome, and it's a duplicate. So that's
nice.
really cool. See, Kobe Mayo, Baltimore Orioles, a rookie card. So that's cool.
Yeah.
And then finally, Rafael Devers, Boston Red Sox.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna open my last pack, and then we'll go to the mega box packs. Okay, let's see. I have no idea how to pronounce his first name.
Oh, that's Sedan Rafaela.
Okay, for the Boston Red Sox. I think I got some type of hit in my pack. Because so there's that. Now I have a hit behind this card, so I'm just going to show this card, then I'm going to set it to the side, and then when I'm done with this pack, I'll go back and reveal the hit. So this card, I have a Gunnar Henderson with the Baltimore Orioles. Okay, I'm going to set this right here so we don't see. Okay, my next card is a first Bowman. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Kadem Diaw. I don't know if that's the right pronunciation. If it's not, I'm sorry. I'm terrible at name pronunciations. But he's with the Minnesota Twins. My next is a Robert Calles with the Colorado Rockies. My next is another Bowman first, Romeo Sanabria with the San Diego Padres. Yeah, Padres. And then my two Bowman Chrome. It's a first Bowman, Conrad Casson with the Boston Red Sox. I don't know if it's Casson or Cason. I don't know.
It looks like Kaysen.
Yeah. My second one's another Bowman first. It's Jacob Wright with the Los Angeles Dodgers. And my final two for this pack, Christian Yelich with the Milwaukee Brewers.
That's a good one.
Yeah, he's a good player. Then my last one before we go to the hit is Brian Reynolds with the Pittsburgh Pirates.
Wow. That was a good set right there.
Yeah. Okay. So, here is the reveal. It's a refractor. Let's see. Colorado Rockies. Adale Amador. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Oh.
Oh, wow.
It's a Bowman Chrome. It's a rookie card, but this one is something I've never seen before. The rookie symbol here is red. If that means anything, I don't know what that would mean. If any of you know, let me know down in the comments. I'm eager to learn more about this hobby. But yeah, that's a really nice card. Yeah.
That is really nice. Yep.
All right, Matt, do you want to open your last pack?
Oh, yes.
Now, these are going to, from what I've heard and understand, these packs here are where the big hits are going to be. I may be wrong. One guy that I watched said that that's where big hits could be.
All right, so first we have...
Those look really nice.
Oh, yes. Yeah, right away. First, Bowman, Chrome, George Klassen, Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim.
Let me look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Another first Bowman Chrome, Luis Pena, Milwaukee Brewers. Okay, now we have another first Bowman Chrome. I'm going to try to pronounce this correctly.
Okay.
Joniker Ugarte, Kansas City Royals.
Oh, you got a VIP
Oh,
card.
wow. VIP Chrome of Kansas City Royals player Jack Caglianone. I noticed like he first started his career in the major league this past week, really having a big series against the Cardinals, getting a few RBIs at least, a few hits at least. So he's already off to a pretty good start.
That's good.
Yes, it is, and I'll bet this VIP card would actually be worth a lot.
I don't know. We'll have to look into it and see. It's not numbered or anything, but it does look like a really cool card.
It does, and the fact that it says VIP says that it's probably worth a lot, at least.
Well, we could at least look on eBay and see what sold listings are.
That's true.
So.
And then finally, Chase Burns from the Cincinnati Reds. This is just a Bowman Chrome, but still it's a Chrome. So really nice.
I really like the look of those. Those
Oh,
are
me
nice.
too.
All right, it's my turn to open the final pack of the box and my mega box pack, which is the same thing, you know. So, okay, I have a Bowman first. It's a... I don't know how to pronounce it. The Sung Chi Ching.
Oh, yeah. Sung Chi Chang. Yep.
All right. I don't know if that's right. I'm not good at names pronunciations, but here's the card. Nice card there. It is not numbered. But yeah, there's that. Next is a first Bowman, Victor Rodriguez with the Los Angeles Dodgers. The next is Winston Santos with the Texas Rangers. And it looks like we have a rookie die cut of Rocky Sasaki.
Oh, Roki Sasaki.
Sasaki, okay. It's a rookie card. It's nice. It's not numbered. I don't know how any of you feel about die cuts. I personally don't really care much for die cuts, but again, that's just my opinion and preference.
I've never. That's the first time I've seen a die cut card.
Yep. And the next card is Matt's all-time favorite player in the MLB.
And I think Jonathan is probably saying this with sarcasm.
Yeah, big time. Jose Altuve with the Houston Astros. All right. Well, that's...
It's still a good card, though.
Yep, that's all the cards in this box. I really like these cards. They look really nice. And the die-cut rookie card looks really nice, too. Well, that's all we have for this box. And if you want to see more videos of Matt and I unboxing baseball cards, drop a comment down below. And if you want us to open cards of another sport, like football, NASCAR, soccer, hockey, just let us know. We'll see what we can do and definitely try to make that happen. I'm open to opening any cards. I'm open to getting cards of all sports. For me, like, I like baseball. I like a little bit of football and NASCAR or any type of racing. And right now I'm actually getting into the sport of UFC. And it's been really fun learning about it and following it a little bit. What about you, Matt? Would you be open to opening cards of another sport?
Yes, yes, absolutely. I would definitely be into opening cards. Hockey, I do love the St. Louis Blues, and
Trying to get pull a Wayne Gretzky card.
that's true. Yeah, Wayne Gretzky or Chris Pronger from the St. Louis Blues, or Vladimir Tarasenko, or Jordan Bennington.
Yeah, those are good players.
Oh, yeah, or Alex Ovechkin. He was a great player from the Washington Capitals.
Yeah, I don't follow hockey that much, so the only names that I recognize was what Matt said. So, but I'm open to learning about the sports, opening cards. What about you? Would you? What about like the big openings, like the big boxes? Would you be open to working up to opening those, like the hobby boxes?
Oh, absolutely.
You get a lot more autographs and relic cards in those.
That's true. Yes, I would definitely love to work up to that.
Yeah. So yeah, just let us know what you want from this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and just let us know what you want us to do on the channel. Open cards of sports. Maybe even just hearing us talk about sports. Even we'd be definitely open to that. Even.
Yes, and
So,
and also at times we can and actually in each segment we can try to keep you guys updated with sports scores, especially baseball.
we try to upload weekly or bi-weekly. We'll let you know. We're just now getting started into this. And I was looking up his Jesus Lopez first Bowman Chrome card, and now there was one that sold for $10 at an auction style.
Not bad.
Looks like the others were like $1 to $2, sometimes $3, and that's sold listings on eBay. So, yeah. So that's about. I think that's about all we have.
What about the Jack Caglianone VIP card?
Let's see.
VIP Chrome or Bowman Chrome Jack Caglianone 2024. JAC and then CAGLIANONE. Oh, there it is right there.
Yep. Let me do sold items. Wow.
Oh, wow.
This one.
It's $3.99. Oh, it's 2025. That's right.
No, that's it.
Oh, $10.
Let me do. No, not sale items. $10 for this card.
Wow.
So
That's pretty good.
So this card here paid for a fifth of the box.
Wow. That is incredible.
Yep. Okay, well, that's all we have. And again, let us know down in the comments section if you want us to continue to do this, and if you want us to even start doing a podcast on here of sports. And I think next time let's surprise them with a different type of box opening. What do you think?
Absolutely. Oh yes, definitely.
Yeah. So look forward to that, and we'll see y'all later. See ya.
Right. Bye.
Bye.